I have a door not shutting right and I want to adjust the hinges in order to fix it. I'm used to hinges looking like this with an open bottom, and to remove the hinge pin is as simple as using a punch and a hammer and then grabbing with some pliers for easy removal. But when I went to do this, I was stumped. It looked like the hinge pin had a head at the top and bottom, and I was not going to be able to use the punch to remove the pin like I did in the other door. The hinge I removed earlier was a loose pin hinge, and I thought this may be a non-removable pin hinge. But after some research, I found that some hinges have a decorative cap at the bottom. I was hoping this was the case for this door, so let's try to remove it. My weapon of choice is a pair of vice grips. The goal is to lock it tight on the bottom cap, making sure we don't grip the bottom of the hinge. Once locked, we can use a hammer to try to remove. Alright, that worked, and this is what the cap looks like. Now that we have it off, it's business as usual. Use a punch to remove the pin and carry on with the project. I'll link the tools I used in the description. I hope this quick and to the point video helped you move forward with your project. Thanks for watching.